Now here we are. This is the first formal video after the introduction video that you just saw. So here is developer.android.com training basics first app, and here is the documentation that is getting started. The first topic that we will be covering is build your first app. So there are basically five modules to it: overview, create an Android project, run your app, build a simple user interface, and start another activity. Right? Let's get started. Now, when we talk about Android apps, or for that matter any mobile app, there are certain things that we need to know before we start discussing these further. The first one is an Android app or any other mobile app has several components. These components could be activities, receivers, services, or a lot of other things that we will be discussing in future. These components can be invoked individually, right? So that is very important to understand. These components can be invoked individually. They can be used individually as and when required. There are several other components that we will be discussing, like I said earlier. Another important thing that needs to be understood here is that apps must adapt to different devices. Like it is written here, you should be able to make an app which can be used on different screen sizes of mobile device. In another way, if you want to look at it, it also means that your app should be compatible with maximum number of devices that are available out there in the market. So that would also mean that if you are designing an app which is meant to be used by let's say 99% of the people which are using Android devices, then in that case you will have to understand and take care of different versions which have come up over the years in Android, and how is your app meeting the different requirements of different versions that are available in the market, right? Like it is mentioned here, we will be discussing app fundamentals and device compatibility as and when they come up, right? So here, as you can see, there are app fundamentals and device compatibility. When we are done with these, then we will definitely discuss these, right? Now let's go to our next topic, which is create an Android project. See you in the next video.